Blessing and peace be upon his Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the head of all messengers, upon his family and all his companions, the audience. Today on this auspicious occasion, it is my pleasure to say some words on the oneness of Allah. My dear friends, I am talking about the Lord of the world. A praise due to Allah, Lord of the world, the entire universe and beyond. You know, we live in this world and we are fascinated with this dunya which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created in a beautiful manner. This dunya is Allah so big. Over billions of people which live on this dunya at this moment, over 6 billion people which live on this dunya. This dunya of Allah is so big that there is space in this dunya for billion and billion or more people. But what is dunya in comparison to what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created, or that they respect this dunya in insignificant? This dunya is meaningless to Allah. It means nothing. It is worthless, so worthless. Compare it with the sun. The sun is one star, you also know. Allah is the greatest. There are stars out there which are the millions of the galaxies. If you raise your head and see, you will saw the zillions of galaxies. Allah is the creator of galaxies. And if you saw, everything is having in the heaven. Allah is the creator of 7 heavens. The distance between the first heaven to second heaven is 500 years. Second to third is 500 years. Third to fourth is 500 years. Fourth to fifth is 500 years. Fifth to sixth is 500 years. Sixth to seventh is 500 years. If you calculate this order, you will find 35,000 years to first to 7 heavens you have to cross. That is mean that our mind is not proper. May Allah bless you. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.